Another important tool we need to know, when you open stream number 1, for example, I'll define the stream just to be ready. I put here any numbers, and here the composition is 50-50. Now solve it for stream number 1. I want to know what is the pressure of stream number 1, but in atmospheric pressure, not in bar or kilopascal. I want to know it in atmosphere. So this is 100 kilopascal, and if you just stay here, you find it 100 kilopascal and 1 bar and 14.5 psi. So I want it to be in atmosphere. How can we do that? Just from home, unit sets, as you can see it. This is the units of measure. How HYSYS, what is the units that HYSYS use to measure each variable? So, and by the way, it's ordered in alphabetical order. So I'll go down, I find the pressure is here. So I'll make this atmosphere and press OK. Now, if I go to stream number 1, I'll find the pressure what atmosphere. It's 0.9869 atmosphere. This is how can you change the units for each variable, as you know. What else do we have? Yes, we have something else. Now I want to monitor the pressures across the system. I want to know what's the pressure for stream number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and so on. So what can I do? Should I open each one individually? I open number 3, then I open number 4 to know what is the pressure. No, I can do something else. From here, from flow sheet, the label for each stream is its name. It's named 1. For example, I'll name it feed instead of 1. So we have here feed. We can also see the temperature. That's when you press here, you can see all the temperatures across all the streams. It's not defined, that's why you cannot see it. Let's do that. I want just the model to be solved, that's why I'm entering any values. Also, I'll solve for delta P. Now the model is solved. As you can see, this is 50 Celsius, 30 Celsius, negative 10 Celsius, 60 Celsius, and so on. So you can know what is the temperature without going into details. I can do the same for pressure. So now I have temperature, pressure, or just pressure. Or I can do, if I want something else, just press here on this small arrow, and you can select any variable you want from here, and then press OK. So if you want to see the molar flow, for example, this is the molar flow, OK, and I close it. Now I have the molar flow for each stream. But to get rid of it, just open this and clear. There is no molar flow. So is it easy? Let's try to make it easier than that. If you want to see the molar flow, there is no need to go to this small arrow, as we said. Just press on Shift F. You find it here by Shift F. I just want to see the name without anything else. Shift N, name. You can just see the name. I want to see the pressures. Shift P. These are the pressures. What about temperatures? Shift T. These are temperatures. So now I'll go back to Shift N to have the name. What else? Yeah, this is a very important advantage that HYSYS offers to us. If you are in a real plant, any stream cannot be introduced to different equipment. For example, this feed stream with these conditions and the composition, the flow rate, the mass flow rate is 50 kilogram per hour. So I have the option to direct this 50 kilogram per hour to this mixer or another mixer. But in reality, you cannot direct this 50 to this mixer and to this mixer at the same time. You can split between them, but you cannot direct all the flow to this mixer and at the same time to this mixer. However, in HYSYS, sometimes I want to do that because I want to check what if the stream goes to this mixer and what if it goes to this mixer. What is the result? So HYSYS can give you this advantage to do so. If I open this mixer and go to inlet, there's no available inlets. Why? Because all the streams here are connected to other equipment. However, from File, Options, here you can find the first option you have, Allow Multiple Stream Connections. I click on it. Okay. So now when you open the mixer and open the inlet streams, you can find all the streams available to be connected to this mixer. Although all the streams are connected to other equipment. Let's choose feed. You can see now, the feed stream is connected to two mixers. We cannot do that in reality, as we said, but for the purpose of simulation, you can do that and it will help you to do a lot.